Hey friends, in this video we're going to talk about how to run Linux command in Windows. This is very easy and useful to do. And to do it, the first thing you need is to download the software. For do that, go to this website, myskypower.com. Once you go there, download the Segwin. Here is myskypower.com and come down. Here you can see Segwin. If it's not there, just click on search and type Segwin. Let's open it. Once the page is open, come down. Here you see the download button, just click on it and let's download it. Click on start download. It takes a few seconds to download. Once the download is complete, just open it. This is the setup. Click on next and choose the first one and click next. Select the directory where you want to install it and click next. Just click next and don't change anything here, just click next. It will search for the server to download the software from the service. And there's a list of servers. Most of them are very slow, but I found this is the fastest one and this server is really good. So make sure to select this one from the list. As you can see that here it is. Just click next and the downloading will be started. Once the downloading is finished and the software will be installed. As you can see, I have installed this software, so I'm just going to run it. Once the download is complete, this icon will come. Just click on it and open it. As you can see, there we have the Linux terminal and the Windows. So let's for the test, let me show you something. If we go to Google and search for Linux commands, as you can see, this is all the commands of the Linux. For example, mv, which is for the moving the file. Here you can see this command only work in Linux. I'm going to show you the mv in this terminal. So for the test, you see I have a file called test and a folder called file. I wanted to move this file to the folder by using mv command. To do that, just you have to type the command just like this. So open the Segwin and write. The first thing you need to do is to go to the directory where you want to do any action. So I want to go to the directory and to the drive D, and then the folder which my files are located, which is Linux, and LSS folder list. As you can see, I have these two files, one folder, one file. I use mv space the name of the file test.txt and space the directory I want to move it. As you can see, the file is moved and there is no test.txt anymore. A file is the file, as you can see, that is here, and the file is moved. So just like that, you can run any Linux command by using this. It's very useful. Let me do another test also and show another example. For example, I want to use this terminal to run Uniscan. So I have Uniscan in my drive C and Perl folder, and there it is. So let me run it. Just type Perl space uniscan.pl. And here you go. You see the Uniscan is run completely in this terminal. And just like that, you can run any command by using this software. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. Have a nice time.